The elective program in middle school is designed to expose students to a variety of courses and/or to develop skills and ability in specific areas of interest. The school strives to place students in their electives of choice, though scheduling parameters do not always make this possible. Electives are semester or year-long. Humanities and STEM Plus courses are graded on a pass-fail basis and use the middle school traits rubric scale of 1 through 4. Building on the concepts of design elements of art, 7th and 8th grade students will experiment with a wide variety of media spanning both 2- and 3-dimensional concepts. The basic foundations of art are presented as a general overview, with emphasis placed on natural observation, individualism, creativity, and enhancement of motor skills. Art appreciation and aesthetic awareness are integrated into class projects and discussions. Art 1, year-long course. Art 1 aims to develop the students' artistic sensibility and observational skills. This course introduces students to the traditional elements of design: line, color, space, shape, value, form, and texture, and principles of design: composition, balance, rhythm, and contrast. Weekly projects and homework assignments explore various mediums and techniques in drawing, printmaking, sculpture, ceramics, and collage. Art 2, year-long course. The Art 2 class is intended to prepare students to pursue art in the upper school. Students will experiment with a variety of tools and mediums, which includes drawing, printmaking, mixed media, painting, and digital media. Projects emphasize observational and technical skills, creative thinking, personal expression, and collaboration. Art history is incorporated into class projects and reflections. Middle school choir, year-long course. Choir is open to 7th grade students who have a passion for singing and performing. Emphasis is on developing vocal and ensemble skills through the preparation and performance of a variety of choral literature while building upon the fundamentals of music theory. Students focus on music literacy through the use of Kodali solfege symbols and Takadimi rhythm syllables. Additional opportunities include participation in North Carolina Honors Chorus. This group will perform on and off campus for special occasions throughout the school year. Public performances and concert attire are required. Middle school band, year-long course. Band is open to 7th grade students with previous band instruction. Emphasis is on building musical skills through theoretical, technical, and musical training, culminating with performances. Social skills are developed through group exercises and activities. There are several performances throughout the school year, including participation in at least one independently educated performance. Students in band are eligible to participate in Central District band activities. Students are expected to provide some music and their own instruments, with the exception of larger instruments and percussion instruments, which are provided, when available, by Ravenscroft. Public performances and concert attire are required. Middle school strings, year-long course. At least 1 year of prior string instruction is required. This course provides students an opportunity to play string instruments in an ensemble setting with emphasis on building musical and technical skills through the study and performance of music from different eras and genres. Instruction is provided in violin, viola, cello, and bass, and includes work in music theory. Public performances and concert attire are required. Introduction to Drama is open to those 7th and 8th graders who would like to learn more about the theater and the elements that go into putting on a show from start to finish. Body language, diction, projection, staging, and history will be units for discovery in the black box. Students will perform scenes from plays and focus on basics of theater art. Middle school drama, year-long course. Must have taken exploratory drama. Middle school drama is open to 7th and 8th grade students who have a passion and interest in the theater. Through active creation and curricular activities, the primary focus of this course is to develop basic skills in theatrical performance and in the technical elements involved in producing live theater. Students will take part in reading plays, doing improvisations, and performing scenes. Each student will be required to participate in at least one performance during the year. Middle School Introduction to Stagecraft, a semester class. This course introduces the student to all areas of the theatrical experience. The semester will begin by helping the students understand the theater from the perspective of the performer, the technician, and the audience. The course will explore the basic elements in the technical areas such as construction of flats, lighting, and stage design. The curriculum will include instruction in the proper use of tools for set construction, the parts of the lamps used for lighting. Members of the class will be given the opportunity to work an event, production, or performance as part of the class. Art journaling. Using acrylic paints, watercolors, crayons, and colored pencils, pens, and collage papers, students will transform an old hardback book into a creative art journal to express their feelings, relieve stress, support self-care, and nurture their dreams and aspirations. Inspirational quotes, poetry, lists, song lyrics, and self-reflective prompts will provide the written elements of the journal. Creative writing. Creative writing will explore different genres of writing with the main goal of inspiring amazing ideas and constructing original pieces. Using Writer's Workshop and mentor texts, students will write fictional stories to create books and write poetry using pictures and photographs as inspiration. By reading and studying a variety of picture books, short stories, and poems, students will discover the elements of the different genres in order to create original works. All writers will participate in the workshop process. They will learn new techniques to improve their own craft, but also share and edit each other's work in a non-judgmental, safe environment. Class discussions will focus on analyzing and evaluating students and professional work to gain a greater understanding of the craft. North Carolina Folklore. This course examines the folklore of North Carolina in terms of how it reflects our history and the beliefs of our citizens, past and present. Units include NC historical figures, fact and fiction, types of folklore, and NC ghost stories. Speech and debate. The Speech and Debate middle school course is designed to give students experience with public speaking skills, research application, different methods of argumentation, as well as an introduction to debate. This course will allow students to engage in critical reflection, utilize research skills, and analyze exemplary speeches and debates throughout human history. Model United Nations, open to 7th and 8th grade students. This course will explore human rights, global diplomacy, and the functions of the United Nations. Members of the Junior Model United Nations will be responsible for conducting official negotiations on behalf of specific countries and maintaining political, economic, and positive social relationships with other countries. Students will understand the role of diplomacy and deliberation in international affairs and develop skills in conflict resolution, problem solving, and cross-cultural communication. Additionally, the course will focus on the structure and function of the United Nations, developing skills in writing, debating, amending resolutions, and preparing for the ultimate challenge, an optional Junior Model United Nations Conference in March. Middle School Computer Science. Students in this course will be introduced to computational thinking, algorithms, problem solving, and beginning concepts in programming. The emphasis will be on solving problems with logic by using computers to complete a series of tasks that lead to the desired solution or outcome. Foundational skills in computer science will give students the opportunity to control the computer while they use it to devise new tools for problem solving. Digital communications. This course is an introduction to video production and editing. Students will learn the basics of the video production process and photo editing, and then produce multimedia presentations using Apple, iPhoto, iMovie, and original music in GarageBand. The main emphasis of the course is how to develop storytelling skills to create powerful messages through video. Students will keep middle school informed about news both in and out of school, events, and entertainment. First, LEGO League Robotics. Students in this course will have the chance to compete in a first LEGO League Robotics competition. Using imagination and teamwork, students will work together to research and find a solution to a real-world problem using food safety, recycling, energy use, etc. Students will build and use LEGO Mindstorm technology to create and solve the problems. Competition is in the late fall. This class may be combined with Science Olympiad. Science Olympiad. Students will be part of the middle school Science Olympiad team. They will spend class time working through different challenges that Science Olympiad offers using hands-on, inquiry-based learning in topics that include biology, earth science, environmental science, chemistry, physics, engineering, and technology. Students are encouraged to participate in the Science Olympiad regional competition held in February each year. Think it, design it, make it. Students will engage in creative thinking about the world around us. They will be able to tinker, try out solutions to problems, and receive input from their classmates. The focus of the class will be on the design and production of inventions. Students will work both independently and in groups as they design, create, and make inventions of their choosing. Middle School Engineering. Students will explore the field of engineering in this project-based class that focuses on teaching the engineering design process. Students will learn to recognize a technological need or problem, thoughtfully design a solution to the problem, and carry out the design to a functional end product. The class will be formatted around a series of engineering projects, such as the Kid Win Challenge, LEGO Robotics, Raspberry Pi, and a project inspired by Science Olympiad. Introduction to Meteorology and Weather. In this course, students will be introduced to meteorology and weather, from daily occurrences to extreme weather and phenomenon. They will build a working weather station to study weather and the atmosphere. The course will incorporate computer-based research and tools such as electronic weather maps and data that students will use to present weather forecasts for the day and week.